Hi, how's your relationship? You need to be part of a good relationship, a healthy relationship, a relationship where you feel deeply connected to your partner. For that reason, we, at Sasiyet, are bringing you this ingredient for a healthy relationship.
In this episode of Recipe for a Healthy Relationship, we'll talk about respect. Respect is defined as a feeling of deep admiration for someone. If you are in a relationship with somebody, it's already a sign that you have admiration for that person. It is already a sign that you admire that person. If you admire somebody, if you love that person, you have to have respect for that person as well. A profound respect. In a relationship, there is admiration, and for that admiration, there must also be sign of mutual respect, a respect that you both have for each other. That person that you love, that person that you are in a relationship with, you have to have respect for that person, you have to be respectful of that person. After viewing this video, take a few minutes to think and see if there is that special word called respect into your relationship. Take a few moments to see if that special word is part of your relationship. When you both respect one another, this will help the relationship to be a success. Respect will help you both grow and move forward the relationship and plan for a better future together. With that said, a relationship without a deep and mutual respect is fruitless. You all need to talk, discuss, and do all things in the most polite way for the best outcome of the relationship. Respect is the number 2 ingredient in the recipe for a healthy, solid, and a wonderful relationship.